So guys, IKEA time, and then this is, I'm gonna give you a tour, right? You can see it first, okay? This is the outside of it, and then we're gonna go in. Wow, look at how much food do I have, and then this one and the other food, and then a collection of med kit, and then a teddy bear. What the frick is that? Then this one is the kitchen. I mean, is this the kitchen or not? Wait, I think this is the balcony, and then this is the bathtub, and this is the cooking. Yeah, why do we need this? Yeah, why do we need this, bro? It's right here, star, and then a crowbar. Watch until the end. Yo! Yo! Guys! We need... Wait, where's the light that I have? Where's the light that I have earlier? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, there's another medkit for the medkit collection, and then we need to keep finding medkit. No, we were gonna fix it right here. I know how. Yo! Oh, that's a good spot. But this is more gooder. Yo, I whistled. Wait! Attic light's right there! Guys, let's make a kitchen. Bro, attic light's laggy. Someone cannot fall to you, but I can fall for you. Ew.
Remove something down with that, something down.
Why?
No, wait, Primo, there's a bandage. Oh, it's a,
What do you mean bandage? It's not bandage, it's med kit.
before, not here. Wait,
By the way, bandage is med kit. The med kit is the case. Like that, guys. Comment down below. What if I will... Is this where Atticler is? Yeah, bro. Not there. So it's 13:52.
I grab the materials.
Hi. Nice to hear you again. I forgot! Oh, I forgot to make a waypoint. Forgot to make a waypoint. That's not my waypoint. That's not my waypoint. That's not my waypoint. My waypoint is color red. Okay. Why is it not working? It ain't not working. Oh wait. We need oh, I saw it, bro. The monkey is chasing me, hell! The monkey is chasing me. Signed the wrong number. Guys, what if may Guys, what if tumba yung joke lang. That would, bro, that would. There's too much light. Sayang yung kuryente, too much light. Dapat ayan lang yung light. Sayang nga yung light, ang kulit nyo ah.
Guys, there's no current in this game. Guys, it's coming. We need to ship. Guys, we need to ship na. It's coming night.
Oh yeah. Yo. Bala ka dyan. Nilak ka na namin.
Ay! Primo! Return it back na ma.
Ayan, okay na.
Yes, yet.
Crouch tayo. Ay! Ay!
Good na.
Check natin yung balcony. Bro, remember we are gonna collab?
Yeah. Guys, where did you cover that?
You want? There's an IKEA coming.
Don't worry. They cannot fit here, bro.
I need.
You know, we're too fat.
I think I need to poop. Wait, I'm a poop at the bathtub right there. You're getting sauce. As gusto nyo ng computer?
Oo.
Okay. Paano ko kayo ah? Kuha lang ko kayo ng kamote rider. Kamote rider. Kamote rider. Pag ako namatay, ayoko na palang mamatay. Ayoko mamatay. Mamaya na lang. Drop all. Tanan, tan, tan, tan. Tanan, tan, 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 tan. Pam, pam. I'm fixing it. Get out! Okay na.
Guys, ayusin natin ito medkits, oh. Ayusin natin.
Wala na, full na yung ano natin.
Ay, open natin. Guys, where pa lagayin mo?
Napakarami na nating first aid.
Yan. Guys, where extra space? Lagayin mo pa.
Okay.
Guys, dami ilaw dito. Guys, pupunta ako. Opo, guys.
Guys, patayin nyo lahat ng ilaw kasi ano, makikita tayo ng employee.
Or,
Pero wag lang yung mga ilaw na on.
ayan mga tao dito. Dito mo.
Bonpod, sabihin mo Aya chill.
Ayan, here. Why I'm not shouting.
Aya chill. Aya chill.
Say goodbye.
Yeah, what the frick? I'm gonna slide. Whee! Aray mo. Nag-slide ako, tara mo. Whee! Ay. Whee! Ay. Whee! Wala. Hindi ako makaslide. Whee! Aray mo. Ay! Nangyari na wala ako na nandito ako. Guys, tara nyo, magte-teleport ako. Doon kayo sa baba. Doon kayo sa baba. Tignan nyo, magte-teleport ako sa labas. Ay, wala. Wait lang. Ay, wali. Meron. Ah.
Guys, tara. Kuha na tayo ng computer.
Yo! It is foggy. Lagot kayo, mamamatay na tayo. Joke lang. Joke lang, brother.
Computer natin. Okay, mag-watch ako na. Tayo.
Guys, kain muna tayo.
Sige. Go.
Guys, ako nilang kukuha ng ng computer. Halika, Winford, sa ano. Yan lang si Wise.
Bakit? Gusto ko din sama.
Sige. Parang magsishopping tayong lahat eh.
Parang kwarto. Ito naman.
Mag-shopping muna kayo. Wait lang. Hintayin nyo. Kuha tayong food. Doritos, Detos yan. Ano, Detos? Mag-crouch ka kasi para makuha mo. Mag-crouch ka, yan. O, crouch. Ayan. Kuha mo. Ay, kuhanin mo. Ay, marami pa. Oh. Bala ka dyan. Nasa bahay na kami.
Primo!
Ato, nag-whistle kami. Ayakin. Ay, karapata. Gamit ko lang cellphone ko, mamamatay ka pa. Mamamatay, ha? Ayaw mo mamatay, ha? Guys, mag-hunting kaya ako ng garapata.
Pag-hunting ka ng manananggal.
Wala namang multo sa amin eh. Guys, kain na tayo.
Primo, over ka ba table? Dito.
Guys, come on. Tara. Tayong lahat ha. Kung ano yung sinabi ko, ako yung maglilid, okay? Ako yung maglilid sa inyo. Guys, tara. YC. Ay! Anong table?
Ito.
Hindi, ano? Di naman yan pang gaming eh.
Ay?
Tara. Ayaw.
Balik!
Okay, I found my gaming chair.
Diyan mo yagayin, no? Diyan. Dito.
Dito nga yung sayo eh. Dito yung sayo. Oh, yan.
Ah!
Ayan yung sayo. Tas
Sa akin,
dito
sa
yung
akin.
akin, tas dito yung kay Winford. Walang, give me my gaming chair.
Sa akin yan, ha? Wala mag-sitting or si Primo, ipapayabasin yung tao. Yan yun eh.
Matutulog na ako. Wala na, tulog na ako. Tulog na ako. Tulog na ako. Ay, nagising na ako. Guys, merienda tayo.
Tara, 3 a.m. pa. 3 a.m.
Okay na, tara na, okay na.
Guys, gusto niyo ba mag-TV muna? TV muna. Sleep over.
Sige, sleep over. Sa atin nga. Sleep over tayo, pre. Kung kaninong base naman to, pagka meron naman kayong base na ginawa, i-destroy nyo rin kasi dun din titira ang mga players sa 3008.
Uy, may alcohol to ba dyan? May alcohol.
Shout out naman kung sino namang yung may-ari nito.
Binigyan na natin yun ari
Ino
ng
namin, for sales na.
may alcohol pa kayo dito, may alcohol.
Wala ang alcohol.
The Rock po, The Rock.
Pero may
The Rock.
burger. Si Giso ata yung gumawa na itong base na to.
Uy, sana may multo. Nagaganyan-ganyan. Hala! May multo!
Takbo! 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 Uy, tulong! Wala ka ko! Nandito ako! Tulong! Ayun, pumasok rin ako.
Stop now, no, stop.
Nag-clear na ako.
Mag-clear lang kami for 2 hours. Balik ka pa naman yan. Primo,
Wala na, dito na ako.
have to pay our bill toys.
When Cord, bibigyan kita ng, ng gaming chair.
Sige, later na. AFK na yan ako dyan.
La, EFK. Bala ko dyan, hindi ka naman sasama. Ah.
Bye. Primo, ulit ako mamaya. Tapos pag after ako mag-play ng real toys ko, yun ulit ako, okay?
So ako, hindi ako mag-live, okay?
Okay.
Hindi ako mag-live.
Mamaya push kita. Bye. Primo, tumaas na madami pagkain tapos may na computer. Okay, Primo?
Oo.
Hey, bye.
Bye.
Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building. Excuse me, the store is now closed. Please exit the building.
Yo. I will gonna keep this safe. I won't leave. I won't leave. I remember the promise. I won't leave. I won't. I won't leave. I won't leave. I'm getting nervous right now. Not gonna lie. Getting freaky nervous. difficult. All by myself, bro. All by myself, bro. All by myself, I got this. All by myself, I got this. Keep it on your mind. Do not leave.